Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today you're going to spend the day with me, so this is going to be cooking, cleaning, and home reset. We're starting off by cooking pancakes for Sunday morning, and I have all of the dishes laid out, the pancake mix, the syrup, all of that stuff. I only got my pancake mix mixed up. We always have blueberry pancakes and sausage links on Sundays, so that's just what I'm doing here. These pancakes here are for Connor. I like to make them in small, like 50-cent pieces. I like this because they, it's convenient to him because he's a child. Blueberry pancakes, sausage links, strawberries, and milk. I already have dinner on. I actually didn't film me putting the roast on. I'm gonna make homemade barbecue because I just randomly decided to start filming my Sunday. I'm gonna move on to laundry, and yes, my laundry area is dark. There's no windows, but I usually use the window light, the sunlight that's coming through the other windows from the bathroom and the bedroom, and I can see just fine, but the camera was having trouble picking up this area. So I never dry Connor's shirts ever because of shrinkage, so I immediately put them on hangers, and I always hang dry them. So you see a picture of them hanging outside. It was a beautiful day. And next I'm getting ready to do dishes, the breakfast dishes, so I'm going to refill my soap. My favorite dish soap is the Ultra Palmolive Ultra Strength. This stuff is amazing. So here's all the dirty mess from breakfast, and I'm going to get these quickly washed up. I'm going to leave you to the sounds. And I do speed these up because I know a lot of people don't like long videos. I don't mind it personally, but I try to follow into some of the algorithm and stuff and what it tells me that people tend to stay in the video. So I try to do quicker videos. Sundays are a busy day for me because Sunday is literally like my home reset day. Like, I deep clean the bathroom, which I didn't film in this one, but I will soon. Vacuuming, sweeping, mopping, and I didn't film some of that, but getting out trash and stuff like that. It's a full Sunday. Sundays are always very full for me to reset the day before we go back to school. Next up, we're bathing the dog. I got this dish pan from Dollar General, and it just worked out perfectly. Kitty had to come say hi too. Oscar's not too happy. Obviously, he doesn't really like being bathed. But look how cute they are. It's Kit Kat and Oscar. So, but this dish pan works out great, perfect, because Oscar's really not that big of a dog. We're gonna scrub him up. He really needed a bath. And next up, I am showing a preview of a video I filmed. So in this day I filmed as well. Barbecue, homemade barbecue sandwiches, and homemade sweet potato fries. Now, endless laundry. We're back to the laundry. Now, some of it is folded, some of it is not. Next time I will try to get a better camera angle if I choose to film this again. And yes, I am folding laundry on the bed. No, the bed is not made. That is my flannel sheet. And yes, you could probably see toys laying on the bed. Yeah, we're real here. It doesn't bother me. Like, no one is in my bedroom during the day, like, at all. Sometimes I don't make the bed. This was one of those days. So, yeah, it is what it is. All the laundry is folded. The basket is finally empty. And now back to the kitchen. The mess from dinner. And we're back to where we started in the beginning, basically. It's time to get that cleaned up, and now the kitchen is back and cleaned. The house is back in decent order the next week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this home reset, spend the day with me cleaning motivation video. Don't forget to check the description box and cards for additional links. Thank you so very much for watching.